The gap between the life you want and the life you are living is called mindset, focus, and consistency. I am strong because I have been weak. I am fearless because I have been afraid. I am wise because I have been a fool. You need only 5 hobbies: one to make money, one to keep you in shape, one to stay creative, one to build knowledge, one to grow your mindset. The limit is not in the sky, the limit is in the mind. Every setback is a setup for you to come back. Just because I smile every time, it doesn't mean that my life is perfect. Staying happy is my choice. Now, these are 5 lines you should speak to yourself every morning. Number 1, I am the best. Number 2, I can do it. Number 3, God is always with me. Number 4, I am a winner. Number 5, today is my day. My life isn't perfect, but I am thankful for everything I have. Your time is coming. It's about to happen for you. So many breakthrough, so many blessings, so many opportunities. Keep believing and keep going and keep fighting. I don't care who is doing better than me. I am doing better than I was last year. It's me versus me.